This video, this the wires is connect the switch, this on off switch, and then tight the set screws and connect two wires. Next, tight the set screws and then tight your drill and then tight the set screws. Then tight the screws and tight, and just tight the set screws in the chetty press, and not this tight and this two screws. Okay, so next you just tight these set screws and the snug fit, and then next is snug the 10 tight. Then next is screws is tight it down. Next to okay, so next touch your, you put your cover, tight the brake cover back on. There. It is separate this red wire roll nuts and wire nuts, and see you next time.